daughter has a tutor that I sometimes use for help. She's here right now, so I'm just going to let her know that we're going to do our group meeting.
Okay, sounds good.
I'll just be a minute.
Sounds good.
Way up here? Oh, that. Oh, it's your pen. In October.
I don't know what day it is.
Have you got people in now?
Yes.
Okay.
So I will do that, and then appreciate you.
No problem. No problem. Well, all I can say is good luck.
Thanks.
You need to go through the problems before you do it.
Yeah. Are you there, McKenna?
Yeah, I'm here. I don't know what's happening.
The face left.
Okay, can you see me now?
No. Okay. Yeah, I can see you.
Okay, good.
Okay. Yeah. How did you do on the practice preparation?
I understood some of it. Like, I think it was mostly theories. There wasn't a lot of stuff to do, right?
Yeah, I don't think so. I actually went on and did the next lesson. So I'm not sure. What?
7 is easy.
7 is easier than 6?
Yeah.
Oh. So I can't remember. Anyway, so let me get out the 6 homework.
Let me look at it really fast.
What?
And I said, let me look at it really fast.
Oh yeah, it was the central limit theory and the large numbers.
Yeah. So not a lot of math involved, which is nice.
No, there really wasn't. Do you want to just give it a try?
Yeah, let's just jump in and try it.
Okay. Content. Okay, hold on. I'm just trying to exit things out so I can see the test and you at the same time, hopefully.
All right, I'm already looking at the first question and I'm confused, so this is going to be fun.
Okay. I hate that I cannot see you at the same time that
I know, it's so frustrating.
I figured it out. I just have to reopen the link. Oh, darn it. I know. Okay, 1 sec. Oh no, that probably won't work. Okay. Oh, let's see. So, okay. Number, I gotta write these. Okay. Well, okay. Let's see. When you are taking a sample size of n equals 5, what is the shape of the distribution of means histogram when the parent population is right skewed? Oh.
I don't know what that means. I'm going to be honest here. I don't know why that confuses me so much.
Well, when the parent, I think it's, okay, so when the parent, I hate not talking to faces. There we go. Okay, when the parent population is normal, like I talked about how it's normal, then the shape of it is normal.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure it's
Okay, that would make sense to me.
okay. Okay. When you are taking a sample size of n equals 100, what is the shape of the distribution of means histogram when the parent population is right skewed?
Wait, can we use that little tool that they had in the...
Yeah. It will be normal. My
Yeah.
tutor just asked it.
Yeah.
I think the homework, I don't know what I did with.
Okay, I think I figured it out.
Okay, good.
So in the textbook, they had the part where you were supposed to click on the little simulator thing and play around with it. I think we can use that to figure out the answers.
Okay.
So I'm looking at it now, and we can change what n equals.
Okay.
Maybe not.
I'm going to try and open up the preparation answers again.
Okay. But maybe not. Never mind.
Okay, I already took the homework quiz. Let me see if it asks the same question. I took it this morning. I tell you, there's just too much stuff to remember, and I've had such a crazy day.
Oh my gosh, yeah. I just barely got back from work, and I haven't had a moment to sit down all day.
I hear you. Okay. Let's see. Wait, what test is this? 6? Okay. Yeah, well, one question is, what is the shape of the distribution of sample means? And that's normal. I got that right. I don't know. I think I'd have to go back and look at the lesson. Is that where you go back and look at the preparation again?
Yeah, I'm looking in the textbook.
Okay. Okay, so under when is it normal in 3.1, it says, if the parent population is normal, then the sampling distribution of X will always be normally distributed, no matter how many observations are selected. So is our parent population normal?
Well, it says it's right skewed. Yeah, the parent population is right skewed. So
Okay.
it says if the parent population is not normal, then the sampling distribution will be approximately normally distributed if the sample size is large enough.
That size is only 4.
Okay, if the parent population is almost normal, then a sample size of n equals 5 will probably be sufficient to assure that the mean will be appropriately normally distributed.
So they're trying to trick us with 4?
I guess.
Then it require, if a parent population is heavily skewed, then it will require a larger sample size to be assumed that it will be normally distributed. For most moderately skewed distributions, a sample size around 30 is traditionally thought to be sufficient to, I would say no then.
Why?
Well, just read the 1, 2, 3, 4th bullet down.
If the parent population is heavily skewed one?
Yeah.
It will require a larger sample size to assure that the mean will be normally distributed. For most moderate, okay, yeah, then it would be, the answer would be, should we say it would still be skewed right?
That's what I would guess.
Yeah, that would make sense to me.
Yeah.
I guess we have 2 shots if we get it wrong.
Yeah, and then the next, oh wait, no, the sample size is n equals 100. So that's
For the
plenty of
second one.
size. Oh, are we on number 1? Number 1 is, oh, sorry.
Yeah.
4 is for sure. Okay. Oh, and 5 is also n equals 5. So it just said in that lesson that if it is, look at the third bullet, if the parent population is almost normal, oh, then a sample size is 5. Okay, never mind. Then we'll require a larger sample size. Okay, yeah.
So
So-
for number 4, where the sample size is 100, it would be normal.
Yes, that's what I was saying.
Okay, cool. And then for,
Oh, and what did we decide on?
I think we decided for number 3,
Uh-huh.
I think we decided it would be skewed right still.
Okay, yeah.
That would, it wouldn't, I don't know. I guess like for some reason it could be skewed left, but I would think it would stay skewed right.
Well, in the lesson, it doesn't say anything about if it's skewed right, then it will switch to skewed left, you know?
So I'm guessing it would stay skewed right.
Yeah.
Okay, number 5. When you're taking a sample size of n equals 5, what is the shape of the distribution of means histogram when the parent population is normally distributed? So it would be normal, right?
Yeah, if it's normally distributed, then it's normal,
Yeah.
regardless of the sample size.
Yeah, so these are just trick questions.
Yeah.
So for number 6, it's using the sample size of 100 again, but it's normal, so it'd still be normal.
Yeah. Let's hope,
Okay.
let's hope this all makes sense when it's graded.
Yeah, seriously.
Okay, 7. When would the distribution of means be normally distributed? Data
Right.
drawn from a population. Does it help for me to read it out loud or no?
No, it helps. Go ahead.
Data are drawn from a population that is normally distributed and the sample size is small. Okay, if it's normally distributed,
But
it's
it's always normal.
yeah.
Data drawn from a population that is normally distributed and the sample size is large. Still normal.
Okay.
Data are drawn from a population that is right skewed and the sample size is small. No. And data are drawn from a population that is right skewed and the sample size is large. Yes. Okay.
Boy,
This is the central limit theorem.
Yeah.
Got it.
Okay. This I have it written down. The distribution of sample means of normal when okay, it's normally distributed or when thanks to the central. Okay, wait. Oh, okay. Central theorem tells us that the distribution of all possible sample means will have a normal distribution if the sample size we choose is large. That's the CLT.
Okay.
If the sample size is large, the sample mean will be close to the population mean.
The shape of the distribution of sample means will be approximately normal. It's the last one.
Yeah. Okay. Now to some paperwork.
Yeah.
Okay. But
Ugh. Oh, is this paperwork or is it just telling us to interpret it?
oh, I bet it's I bet it's gonna do at the bottom. Let's interpret first. We didn't even read it. We just started. Okay. What is the mean of the distribution of sample means? 10.
Yeah.
What is the standard deviation? 6.
6.
Boy, I wish all the test questions were this easy.
Seriously.
Okay. Regardless of the distribution of the population, if the sample size is large, so if n is greater than 30, what would be the shape of the distribution of the sample mean?
Normal.
It'd be
And we would use the central limit theorem, right? Not the law of large numbers.
is that the next question?
Okay, the law of large. Yeah, that's the next question.
Okay.
Okay, the law of
Okay,
large- Sorry, go.
regardless of the distribution of the population mean, if the sample size is large, then the sample mean is, okay, so ELT says distribution of all possible sample means will have a normal distribution if the sample size we choose is large.
It's the central limit theorem because the law of large numbers is
Yeah,
that the mean will be close to the sample mean.
yeah. Okay, that was fabulous.
Yeah, let's hope we got them all right. I think we
I hope
did.
so. That was so fast. Okay, here we go. Oh,
Did we get one wrong?
yeah. 10. What is the standard deviation of the distribution of sample means?
Okay, so that must be one where we have to figure out the answer. So let's go back.
Is it 1? I did that and I got 1, but so we do 6 as a standard deviation, or I'll just let you do it. I already did it. See what you can come up with.
Oh, dude, I don't even know.
Okay, so it's where we take that formula where
Oh, it's with the square root, huh?
so you put in the square root.
So it'd be 1, yeah. The square root. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I think we can just each do that individually now if we want to go ahead and post a video.
Yeah. Do you know where I post the video?
I have no clue. I was just so happy you knew how to do this.
Okay. Well, I will figure that out, and I will send this to Kayla so that she can see the group meeting.
Okay. And then next time, or I don't know if this time, I kind of, do you want to tell me how to do what you did?
Yeah, okay. So I kind of played around with it. She sent us the instructions in her text.
Oh, she did?
Yeah.
I deleted the text because it was that thread up with the other.
Oh, yeah, and they were like, no, we don't want that. Okay. So she said you go to your YouTube account, and you click upload, then click live streaming and start event. And you have to make sure that it's going to open it up in Google Hangouts.
Okay.
So
Can you send that link to me? Or do you have that in a text that you can forward to me?
yeah, I can screenshot it to you and then
Okay.
yeah, I'll send that to you.
Okay. All right. Awesome. That was so easy. Yay.
That's so good. Okay, cool. It was good. I'll see you on Thursday.
Okay, great. See ya. Bye.
Bye.